Now, the disbanded terror group Jemaah Islamiyah says its recent dissolution could be a model for de-radicalization efforts in Southeast Asia. JI was formed in 1993, and it was the affiliate of the militant organization Al-Qaeda in the region. Ex-leader Para Wijayanto, who is currently in prison, hopes all former members can reintegrate and become good citizens. He spoke with CNA's Saiful Bari Ismail.
Para Wijayanto was the head of Jemaah Islamiyah in 2008, the year the group was banned by the Indonesian government for a string of terror attacks in the region. Para went on to become the group's longest-serving chief at 11 years before he was arrested in 2019. The 60-year-old was one of the key JI figures behind the recent dissolution of the group.
Mudah-mudahan upaya pemerintah bisa mengatasi masalah J ini menjadi satu model baik untuk di Indonesia maupun di luar negeri, ya, di luar Indonesia. Karena pengalaman empiris yang luar biasa menurut saya. Karena JI bukan organisasi kecil, tapi bisa diselesaikan dengan baik.
On June 30th, key JI leaders including Para dissolved the organization. Para admits that JI had wrongly followed the teachings of the Al-Qaeda militant group, which espouses extremism and considers governments as infidels. The ex-JI leader has engaged its members via online calls from prison, explaining why they should stand down. He says former senior figures of JI are ready to engage with other radical groups in Indonesia.
Ibarat orang sakit, kita ini pernah sakit dan bisa sembuh. Mestinya pengalaman ini bisa di-share, bisa dibagi. Bagaimana proses sembuhnya tadi? Kan pasti ada ceritanya, ada prinsip-prinsipnya, ada yang kita rubah cara pandangnya. Nah, itu semua bisa ditularkan untuk di luar jaringan JI untuk bisa belajar juga. Dan kita siap membantu menterapinya.
Muhammad Hoirul Anam is another JI leader who was instrumental in the breakup of the group. Hoirul was the former military commander of JI, responsible for training members before sending them to conflict areas such as in Syria. The 50-year-old said currently there are 9 JI members in Syria who had joined Hayat Tahrir al-Sham, or HTS, a militant group affiliated to Al-Qaeda.
Jadi sudah ada koordinasi dan ada pemberitahuan terkait dengan proses pembubaran JI dan sosialisasi berjalan, termasuk kawan-kawan di sana secara perlahan sudah dipahamkan terkait dengan masalah pembubaran JI ini sendiri. Dan ini kita sangat berharap kepada pihak pemerintah untuk bisa membantu bagaimana agar supaya kawan-kawan ini bisa pulang lagi ke Indonesia.
Hoirul, who is also known as Bravo, said good communication between JI leaders and the authorities has been crucial to the disbandment process.
Para Wijayanto and Hoirul Anam are currently in prison in the Jakarta Police Detention Facility. They were brought out of prison by the National Police Counter-Terrorism Squad Special Detachment 88 to be interviewed by the media in a hotel in central Jakarta. This is the first time both men have been interviewed by the international media.
Former JI leaders have held more than 30 socialization sessions across Indonesia. They are attended by thousands of the group's former grassroots members as part of a nationwide outreach program aimed at ensuring they do not regroup or join existing splinter groups. Terrorism experts say authorities need to look at the next steps after these sessions are completed. They've also warned against complacency following the dissolution of JI.
Kita harus berikan apresiasi terhadap negara karena soft approach yang dilakukan oleh aparat penegak hukum, ya, itu kita bisa dalam tanda kutip berhasil gitu ya melunakkan. Nah, ini yang menurut saya negara pun harus punya action plan atau roadmap penanganan JI seperti apa dalam kerangka bernegara ini. Kita juga bisa tidak take for granted gitu langsung terima lalu kita tidak melakukan apa-apa, harus didampingi.
Indonesian police say JI's dissolution may not reduce the overall threat of terrorism and stress the need for constant vigilance.
Kita akan tetap melakukan tugas kita sebagaimana biasanya, yaitu melakukan aspek monitoring, kemudian melakukan assessment, kemudian melakukan kontrol, evaluasi, menjadi teman untuk berdiskusi dengan mereka tentang bagaimana atau program apa lagi yang akan mereka lakukan selanjutnya supaya secara ideologi mereka tidak kembali lagi ke faham ideologi yang lama.
JI is known to be a well-organized outfit, and this quality will be put to the test in how the group ensures everyone falls in line. Saifullah Ismail, CNA, Jakarta.